welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maria and I'm a Namibian YouTuber based in the UK. As the title of this video, spend the day with me this busy Saturday. This is normally not how my Saturdays look like, but I woke up, I did my prayers, I made my bed and I headed straight into the kitchen. I'm not normally a breakfast eater, but I knew I was gonna be out all day today, so I needed that energy. So I went into the kitchen, I opened my windows, and then I decided to make myself some breakfast. What did I have for breakfast? I made French toast, with some omelette, salami, and I put my Namibian mayo. I call it a Namibian mayo. Don't judge me. Anyways, I made a cup of tea as well. And I'm the clean up on the go kind of girl. I don't like dishes piling up while I'm cooking, so I clean as I use, because it's just dread to have a whole sink full of dishes. So I clean on the go. Anyways, that's me preparing my breakfast. Honestly, pretty simple, pretty easy, but at least something hearty, something heavy, so that it can carry me throughout the day, because I was going to be on the move. And every time you step out of the house, guys, you spend money. So make sure you eat before you leave your house, because the minute you step out of your house, you spend money. So anyways, I made my tea, put my milk. I went to the dining room to just devour. I also opened the curtains, because the blinds, because it's bright and shine. It's summer is finally here. In the UK summer, guys, it's really pretty. So after I was done eating, I decided to clean the kitchen, actually clean the house, because as I said, I was going to be out. So I was like, you know what, let me just clean, because I will not have time to clean when I come back. Tell me why I'm not wearing any socks when it's so cold. My feet were cold, but I don't know why I'm not wearing socks or slippers at this point. Anyways, I cleaned and mopped the kitchen, mopped the the foyer, and I was done. I went in the bathroom, start off with brushing my teeth. Yes, I eat breakfast before I brush my teeth, and then I washed my face. I used my Portia M, the fighter that she is. This is my girl. And then of course shower time. And Saturday is my exfoliating day. I do not body scrub every day. I only body scrub once a week, normally on Saturdays or Sundays. So yeah, and then I was out. My first appointment was in the town center. I needed to go and get my wax, my monthly wax. I'm not a shaving girl, I wax, but my appointment wasn't ready because they were still busy. So I decided to go to Greg's. You see what I meant? Went to Greg's to buy lemonade. You see why I ate at home? These salads were looking at me all pretty, but I was like, no, thank you. Anyways, I went back to the spa to just wait. And this place is so beautiful. Honestly, this place, they do nails, they wax, they do facials, everything. But this is the station, this is the room, the treatment room where I was. That's me, the mirror there, just changing. And then I was done. It literally, I think it took me like 30 minutes, because I was doing a Hollywood wax and an underarm wax. So I'm done with my wax. Yeah, now I was done. I need to pass by Aldi, buy some water, and then go and do my hair. After Aldi, I drove then to Easton. Guys, Easton, to the African aunties, because yeah, I had to go to Rama Hair Salon because I needed to do cornrows. I'm only doing cornrows, and yeah, Easton is so African. If you've been to Bristol, you know Easton. This is me. I got right there on time, and then I removed my 1x1s, and I was ready for my cornrows. That was me midway with my juice, you know. Hey guys, I just got home. Look at my hair. Let's do my hair. It feels so nice. Like there's literally air going into my head, like on my scalp and stuff. I love it for me. Anyways, what am I doing? Tell me why I decided to buy chicken wings when I didn't need chicken. Oh my god. I bought wings yesterday. Look. This is what I had for dinner. Leftover wings and chicken. And then today, decided to buy wings again. These are yesterday's one, right? These are today's ones. Different colors. But I'm gonna pack these up for work on Monday, going Saturday. I'm gonna pick this up, some for work for Monday and Tuesday. That's my lunch, Monday and Tuesday sorted. And then I'm gonna eat some now for lunch because it's 5 o'clock and I have not eaten since 10. So I'm gonna have an early dinner. How much is it? I also bought some beef and some lamb because I wanted to make beef stir fry. Might make that and then leave the wings for tomorrow because the stir fry might not last that long. Yeah, I'll have beef stir fry for dinner. Yeah, beef stir fry for dinner. Or maybe beef stir fry tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm going to church. So I get very lazy from church to cook. He didn't give me any flats. Oh no. Only gave me the drums. I like flats. And he gave me the drums. Why? Anyways, guys, continue watching the vlog. By the way, do you like my dress? Let me show you guys my dress. It's very summer, flowy. Love it. I got it from the charity shop for £5, £6. £6 from the charity shop a few weeks ago. When I wash my beef, before I marinate it, there's that water that's always, no matter how much you dry it, the water just makes the whole marinade watery. So what I do, I use a paper towel and I just dab on the meat to soak up all that water. And what I have is a clean, then it just makes it, my meat is clean, but it's also not full of water, so that when I marinate it, for my marinade, I'm gonna keep it very simple. I have this tikka masala curry paste that I just got. Apparently, it's a Jamie Oliver tikka masala paste. I've been obsessed with it lately, so I'm gonna do like a full heaped teaspoon of that, and then my crushed chilies for that bit of tang. These things are potent, so it's not what's bought inside. I got this from home and I just blended them. And then of course black pepper, and some chili spicy aromat, a little bit, not forgetting Worcester sauce. Give that a good shake. How did this become a cooking vlog? It's not, it's just a day in my life, honestly. This is me prepping dinner. So I'm just gonna mix this together and then let it marinate for 30 minutes in the fridge. Ready for my stir fry. cover it, put that in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, so I've changed. I'm ready now to relax. So I need snacks, and then I'm gonna watch a movie, Nollywood movie. Go in my room, watch a Nollywood movie, but I need snacks. So I got ice cream, wine gums, and don't judge me, plantain chips. So these are my snacks for an hour worth of movie. I'm gonna come cook when my movie is finished. And one thing I did, I moved my TV to my bedroom, guys, because I cannot be bothered to be going to the living room. See, there's my TV, to the living room every time, and also staying in the TV in the living room all night because I watch movies before bed. So I moved my TV there. Not the best place to honestly put my TV. I don't think if it's stable enough on my dressing table, but it's directly in front of my bed. So that's what we did. Anyways, I'm gonna, yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Hey guys, I watched the movie. I'll do a review of the movie that I watched on my TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, my handle is by the corner. My TikTok handle. If you're following me on my old TikTok, I have a new TikTok. I'll put the link up right there, right at the top there. Please follow me on TikTok. I'm more on TikTok than I am on here. So I watched the movie, and then after that I took a nap. Tell me why I decided to take a nap in the middle of the day. Now I'll probably be up all night. Anywho, it's now 8 o'clock. Imagine me waking up at 8. What is this? Imagine taking a nap and waking up at 8. I woke up at like 6:30, and then I went on TikTok, and I was on TikTok. A friend of mine is live, so I had to go and make some money. Did you know you can make money on TikTok from other people's lives? Guys, don't sleep on TikTok. TikTok is where the bag is. I don't know if it works when you're in other countries, but in the UK, if you're in the UK, even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, for you to be live, you can be on stage on other people's lives and then you still get paid. So yeah, you are welcome. That's a plug. Anyways, let me go make dinner. Probably just gonna make dinner and then eat and then come back and continue watching movies because I just got up. And then, because I'm going to church tomorrow, probably sort out what I'm wearing for church tomorrow. Yep. Let's go cook. It's really summer. Imagine how it's 8 o'clock, 5 minutes past 8, and the sun is still out, bright out. Let's make some food. So I got this mushroom stir fry. It was 50% off. Not 50, 30% off from Aldi, and it's going out of date today. So that's why I have to cook it up today. And I'm having it with, I'm making it with some egg noodles. So I'm just gonna use half the noodles because I feel like they're quite a lot. So the vegetable are 320, but the noodles are 410. And for one person, I feel like it's a bit much. So I'm just gonna use half the noodles. Let me show you how it looks. Maybe I might actually put all the noodles. I don't know. Let me see how it looks. Let me see how it looks after I put in the meat. I'll show you guys in the end. And that is my dinner done. Ignore the eaten wing with a glass of milk back. Amazing. Let's go demolish it. Hey guys, so it's dinner time. I know it's still bright out, right? But still bright out. It's good, but it's 7:30, so I need to eat dinner and go to bed. Alrighty. Delicious. I'll talk to you guys later when I end this vlog. Bye.